5 causes of liver cancer and how to prevent liver cancer. Various types of cancer affect the human body, depending on the part of the body where this disease starts or affects. Liver cancer originates in the liver and can spread to other parts of the body, such as the lungs, bone, or brain. This disease can come with symptoms such as abdominal pain, weight loss, jaundice, and ascites. According to the American Cancer Society, the U.S. expects 42,000 new liver cancer cases and 30,000 deaths due to this disease, and it is more prevalent in men than women. Also, this disease is more common in people older than 60 years and has a 5-year survival rate of 20%, meaning that 20 out of 100 people diagnosed with the disease will be alive after 5 years. Causes of liver cancer. Although the exact causes of liver cancer are unknown, certain factors increase the risk of contracting this disease. Some of these factors include 1. Hepatitis B or C infection. Hepatitis B, HBV, or hepatitis C, HCV viruses can affect the liver, causing inflammation and scarring, with chronic infection potentially damaging the liver cells, leading to liver cancer. Hepatitis B and C can be transmitted through sexual contact, blood, or from mother to child during childbirth. HBV or HCV infection accounts for 80% of all the liver cancers that occur worldwide. 2. Cirrhosis. This is a condition of the liver where a healthy one is replaced by scar tissue. This causes the functioning of the liver to be impaired and can lead to liver cancer. Cirrhosis can be caused by chronic alcohol abuse, hepatitis infection, fatty liver disease, autoimmune disease, or genetic disease. This condition accounts for liver cancer in 90% of people with it. 3. Aflatoxin exposure. Aflatoxin is produced by fungus and can affect certain foods such as peanuts, corn, rice, and wheat. This toxin can cause mutations in the DNA of liver cells and increase the risk of liver cancer. Exposure to this toxin is more common in developing countries with low food storage and safety standards. Furthermore, this toxin is hazardous for people who have HBV infection. 4. Smoking. Smoking tobacco damages the liver cells' DNA, making them more susceptible to hepatitis infection and increasing the risk of liver cancer. Smoking also worsens liver diseases like cirrhosis, which can lead to liver cancer. Smokers are twice as likely to develop liver cancer than non-smokers. 5. Obesity and diabetes. These can increase the chances of developing liver cancer by causing fatty liver disease, a condition in which fat accumulates in the liver, causing inflammation and scarring. Consequently, this disease can lead to cirrhosis and liver cancer. Obesity and diabetes can also affect hormone and insulin levels in the body, stimulating the growth of liver cancer cells. Obesity and diabetes increase the chances of developing liver cancer by 50%. Prevention of liver cancer. You can take certain precautions to minimize your risk, but there is no guaranteed strategy to avoid liver cancer. Among the actions you can take to prevent liver cancer are: get a hepatitis B vaccination to protect yourself against HBV infection and lower your risk of developing liver cancer. All newborns and kids should have the vaccine, as should adults who are more susceptible to contracting HBV, such as those who work in healthcare, travel to countries where it is endemic, use injectable drugs, or have many partners. Hepatitis C testing can also help you determine whether you have the condition and whether you should be treated for it. In most cases, treatment can eliminate HCV infection and stop chronic liver damage and liver cancer. All adults born between 1945 and 1965 are advised to get tested, as are those at high risk of contracting HCV, such as injecting drug users, recipients of blood transfusions, or organ transplants before 1992, or those with HIV infection. Limit your alcohol consumption because it increases your risk of developing cirrhosis and other liver conditions like liver cancer. You should limit your alcohol use to no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men to safeguard your liver's health. 12 ounces of beer, 5 ounces of wine, or 1.5 ounces of distilled spirits make up 1 drink. Stop smoking to improve your health and decrease your chances of developing liver cancer. If you smoke, you need to stop as soon as you can. You can speak with your doctor or call the free hotline at 1-800-QUIT-NOW if you need assistance stopping. Keep a healthy weight and diet to avoid obesity and diabetes. You can achieve this by following a balanced diet high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and low in fat, sugar, and salt. Aflatoxin potentially contaminated foods, such as moldy peanuts, corn, rice, and wheat should also be avoided. Engage in regular physical activity to boost your immune system, prevent diabetes and obesity, and enhance blood circulation. Additionally, exercise might lessen liver oxidative stress and inflammation, minimizing cancer and liver damage. It would be best to try to exercise for at least 150 minutes a week at moderate or 45 minutes daily at a strenuous intensity. Suppose you have cirrhosis, hepatitis infection, family history, or other factors that put you at high risk for developing liver cancer. In that case, you should get screened for liver cancer frequently. Screening tests like alpha-fetoprotein, AFP blood tests, or imaging tests like ultrasound, CT scans, or MRIs can aid in the early detection of liver cancer when it is more manageable to treat. Liver cancer is a dangerous condition that can impact your survival and quality of life. You can safeguard your health and well-being by being aware of the causes and risk factors for liver cancer and taking precautions to avoid them. Following our references we used to help create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.